If every stressful day ends with tummy issues, diarrhea, or constipation, then this is the video your butt has been waiting for. I noticed that when I'm more stressed, I'm more constipated. So I dug in to see if there's a link, and the answer is even weirder and more fixable than you think. Let's get into it. Here are a few common symptoms people experience when they're stressed. Right after, we will explain why this happens, so stay tuned. Some people feel the urgency to go to the bathroom or an urge to poop when they're stressed. Others may notice that the consistency, color, or odor of their stools change. Increased bloating is common, along with increased sensitivity to foods. You might experience IBS flare-ups or increased stomach pain or discomfort. Now, why does this happen? I feel stressed up here, but feel it here. Here is how experiencing stress affects your gut. Did you know there is a huge connection to your brain and your gut called the gut-brain axis? It is complex, and it is a communication channel between your brain and digestive system that involves your body's nerves, hormones, immune signals, and microbiome. Information is constantly being shared up and down this channel. Messages can be passed from the brain to the gut and from the gut to the brain. This means that gut issues can affect your mind and stress can impact your gut. Taking care of both is important for overall well-being. Now, let's do a deeper dive into understanding the stress hormone known as cortisol and why and how it affects your gut. When you're feeling stressed, your brain sends cortisol down the gut-brain axis. When it's received, it then activates your body's fight or flight response. Here is what that means. This fight or flight response can completely disrupt your gut mobility and function. It slows digestion, increases stomach acid, and reduces blood flow to the gut, which may lead to issues like cramps, gas, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. You may feel the need to go to the bathroom a lot too. I know when I'm stressed, I feel like I have to pee a lot, or at least my body thinks it does. The presence of cortisol also seriously impacts your gut microbiome. It gets all out of whack because of stress. Cortisol decreases the diversity within your microbiome. It disrupts the bacterial balance and can weaken the gut lining. This weakening of the gut barrier, known as leaky gut, allows for toxins, bad bacteria, and all kinds of things to enter the bloodstream. It creates inflammation and worsens conditions like IBS, IBD, anxiety, and even mood disorders. Can you believe all these long-term issues and symptoms are due to the brain sending hormones down the axis to your gut? If any of these symptoms feel like something that's happened to you, we made a video about 5 common foods that stop diarrhea immediately. Go watch it after this one. And if you're feeling bloated, stress could be one of the reasons why. In our next video, we'll share the hidden reasons why. Subscribe and don't miss it. Now, some of you may be saying, yeah, I've experienced some of these symptoms before. And others may be saying, oh, this happens to me all the time and it's horrible. Well, that's because some people are more sensitive to their body's reactions to stress. Gut sensitivities vary among different people because of genetics. Certain genes can be passed down that influence our microbes. Trillions of microbes then make up our microbiome. And as we know, our microbiome determines how we process food and how our immune system develops. So, we now know that genes influence microbes and stress can change microbes. So, if you have a compromised microbiome, that can worsen stress effects or vice versa. This will then create a cycle of sensitivity that can be passed down. Now, you're probably thinking, how can I protect my gut and genes from the impacts of stress? Here are a few tips. First, the most important and influential thing to do is to care about your diet and nutrition intake. You want to make sure you're consuming stress-friendly foods that are nutrient-dense, like leafy greens, berries, fermented foods, fish, nuts, and even dark chocolate. These foods contain omega-3s, magnesium, zinc, fiber, and antioxidants that will help lower cortisol levels. You also want to be sure to avoid foods that can irritate your gut, like coffee, alcohol, dairy, soda, ultra-processed foods, fried foods, and artificial sweeteners. Coffee and alcohol can actually hurt your gut a lot. We explained more of that in this video. Be sure to check it out. The second thing you can do to protect your gut from stress is to hydrate. Drinking water is super important because dehydration amplifies the body's stress response, increasing stress hormones like cortisol. You can also adjust some aspects of your lifestyle, like sleep, exercise, and stress management techniques. Implementing a calming mind-body practice like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can significantly decrease stress levels and are great for your overall health. Another option is to start gut-friendly habits like taking probiotics or fiber. Making it a routine to take your supplements every morning can be simple and an impactful habit. A final tip I recommend is washing with a bidet. When your brain and gut are already feeling stressed, the last thing you need is harsh, irritating wiping down there, or the feeling of not being clean. This is where your bathroom routine really matters and can actually help reduce stress. Using a bidet is one of the easiest ways to support your gut and hygiene during stressful times. Water cleans more gently than toilet paper, reduces irritation, and helps you feel truly clean, which can lower anxiety around pooping and creates a calmer, more comfortable bathroom routine and sets your day up for success. Now, as helpful as these tips are, there are some cases where you may need to seek professional help. Here are some red flag symptoms to look out for. If there is blood in your stool, you have persistent severe diarrhea or constipation, you're experiencing unexplained weight loss, we encourage viewers to consult a doctor or gastroenterologist if necessary. You can't always fully eliminate stress responses when it comes to your gut, but you can control how gentle and supportive your bathroom routine is. One of the simplest upgrades you can make is switching from dry wiping to washing with water. That's why I recommend a Tushy bidet. They install in minutes, don't require a full bathroom remodel, and make a real difference for gut comfort, especially during stressful times. Click the link in the description and get a special discount on your favorite model. Thanks for watching. See you next time.